Lippmann crushers are designed to last for many years. We've been around for over 100 years. Whether it's a jaw, a frame, a rotor, crushers need to be maintained. They're working hard, they're in a tough industry. The customer understands what's gone through that crusher for the last 20 to 30 years, and we're going to rebuild it so it will last another 20 to 30 years. You know the parts that need to be replaced, we get those from the aftermarket team that is here with us. They will supply and hold all the internals that are needed for any repair we do.
There's a lot of wear and tear that go on Lippmann parts. Lippmann owns the intellectual property for a lot of the parts. Whereas in some of the other crushers, a lot of the items are more commercialized. You can get them from different manufacturers. A Lippmann crusher rebuild is an inspection, what's damaged, what's not, and when it leaves here, it looks brand new. You really can't tell the difference between a rebuild and a brand new machine.
If you're asking yourself, does it pay to do a rebuild? My opinion, absolutely. It's making an unusual sound. Your coast down time is half of what it normally is. When it comes here, our process is to pull it all apart. Get the pitman out of the frame, pull the pitman apart, the shaft, the bearings, all the internals. We send the flywheel, the block, the pitman, and the frame all out for blast. We'll thoroughly go through all the internals, all the parts. We'll UT the shaft. The parts come back from blast. We can do a better inspection, make sure there's no cracks in the frame, the welds, the flywheels, put a parts list together of what's needed, and then we wait for the customer to come back with approval or not.
When it is time to do a rebuild or repair, are you trying to change something? Are you looking to get more production out of your crusher? Are you looking to change something downline? Maybe you need to change the feed. If that's the case, better to replace. But if you're not, then repair is a simple answer. We have all the machining to do the repair and make sure it's done right. Most places offer a 6-month warranty on parts and service. Lippmann offers a 1-year warranty because we know that when it leaves here, it's ready to go. We know it's going to last. It's sometimes better than what you had before.
Every nut, every bolt, every piece is disassembled, opened, cleaned, inspected. Once we get the go-ahead, we start putting everything back together. Sometimes the frame will need welding and remachining. Sometimes the pitman may need some welding and remachining. And that's the advantage about bringing it back here to Lippmann, because we know what that is. We'll take bearing temperatures, we'll take coast down time, and we'll make sure everything is 100%. Lippmann's been around for over 100 years. I've been here for 37. A couple other gentlemen been here for 47, 48 years. The knowledge and the experience that the team has here can't be beat.
The knowledge base, the years of experience that the guys working on them have, that's huge because they know what key features are on that crusher. They know what to be aware of, what areas to look at, what needs to be repaired. But you have to make a choice. Do you replace it or do you not? It's better to do the repair, get it done. You have to have that welding built up. It's better to have it done at the OEM factory and get it back up. It's ready to go. It's just like brand new.
When the Lippmann crusher leaves Lippmann after a full repair, I want the customer to feel comfortable that everything was done right, it's back to spec. I want them to feel confident that this repair was done correctly and it looks like a brand new piece of equipment. And get it back out there and get it crushing, making money.